Lots of Indians start their morning with a cup of hot homemade masala chai. And for all of those Indians who want a keto friendly version of a masala chai, here's my recipe. It's so wonderful, comforting, and so fragrant. Hey sugar swappers, welcome to this yet another special episode of Make a Difference Mad Lifestyle. I'm sharing the 2-ingredient, made in 2 minutes and no utensils required masala chai with you, which is a keto friendly version, also gluten free, vegan, sugar free, and of course promotes weight loss and keeps you full for at least 4 hours. So how does it sound? It sounds awesome, right? So let's get started then for our morning cup of mad chai. So in a kettle, I'm taking a tablespoon of mad chai and keto sweetener. I'm using Sugar Swap's keto sweetener. Here you can add any choice of your sweetener. Add a cup of hot boiling water per tablespoon of mad chai and just stir it with a spoon. This is all you will be needing to make your mad chai in 2 minutes. Then that's it. Just cover it with a lid and let the spices and the mad chai premix infuse in the hot water, and then that's it. Just sieve it into a cup, your favorite cup, and your mad chai is ready. Sugar Swap's keto mad chai can not only be used as a substitute for breakfast or dinner, but it is vegan and an immunity booster too, since it has all the goodness of the immunity booster spices and herbs in it. You can make it on a stove also. Alternatively, boil some hot water and add Sugar Swap's keto mad chai premix to it and sieve it. That is how it is done. It's your morning cup of hot, fragrant masala mad chai is ready. Since it can be made in 2 minutes and you don't require any kind of utensils or equipment to make, or even a stove, so you can carry it wherever you go, whether you're on a vacation or whether you are going to your office. You just have to add a cup of hot water to it and your mad chai is ready. If you love the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.